Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Phonics tongue twister in a minute, where we twist our tongues and sharpen our sounds. Get ready for a fun, fast, and fantastic way to improve your pronunciation. Let's dive in and see if you can keep it up. Today, we are gonna talk about th as in and sounds. Here we have, you can put your fingers here, no vibration. You can put your fingers here like this and say, "Ugh, ugh." We have vibration here. Ugh, ugh. Now you can listen and we can break it down.
The athlete's strength is in both growth and health.
Again,
The athlete's strength is in both growth and health.
here, the athlete's strength is in both growth and health. So here we have sound in the beginning in athlete and strength in the end, both in the end, growth in the end, and health. So the athlete's strength is in both growth and health. Let's listen together and we can break it down.
This mother gathers warm leather.
Again,
This mother gathers warm leather.
so we have here this in the beginning, mother in the middle, gathers in the middle too, warm leather. Again, this mother gathers warm leather. This mother gathers warm leather. Now it's time for our tongue twister. So, are you ready? Okay. Let's start slow and speed up as we go. 3, thin, thieves, thought, 1,000 thoughts. Again, 3, thin, thieves, thought 1,000 thoughts. Faster, 3 thin thieves, thought 1,000 thoughts. 3 thin thieves, thought 1,000 thoughts. 3 thin thieves, thought 1,000 thoughts. Well done. Your turn now. Keep going, keep growing. Bye.